All right, we have a couple big games tonight on Force 13 TV. The first, a huge matchup between the Solids and the Fools, a rivalry that's been for years.
We might
Next
have
up
to
on
do
the
this over
table,
2 nights.
Gorilla
I
and
think
Neuro,
so.
right after.
I
And
think
then
so as well,
the big
Jason,
one.
because it's nearly 1 o'clock in the morning.
The big island of Glisa versus Killy later on. It's a triple header tonight.
John.
But
Next
John
time,
myself, John.
next
John
time,
myself, John.
just don't bother.
Don't you get me?
Okay.
Right.
I'll just sit here relaxing.
Yes, you do that.
No, just
You do that, Johnson. Might be for the best.
This is my kitchen, obviously.
You're in the kitchen.
Yep.
What?
Oh, so you are.
No, you're in bed.
I didn't see properly. Thought it was another perspective of your room. Then it wouldn't look like a kitchen, would it?
lucky
I'm
leg.
just chilling on the couch watching the game.
I thought you just said
Still staying at the left-hand side. I think it's a
No.
that is
I don't
left.
think any culture supports crapping in this position, dude.
What?
What?
It feels looking to
too tight, play it out, wide, out,
get
wide.
like back.
Oh, interesting. I heard tight.
John, your selective hearing isn't working out very well, I'm afraid.
No, it's not. I was not, and I was moving on from that down under ordeal.
Down under ordeal.
Oh,
The keeper
here
acrobatically
comes
saving
the
it. End-to-end stuff here.
It sure is. It's quite an entertaining start.
Was it from?
Yeah.
I gotta say,
Is it from top to bottom? Is it going down under?
And the fools are count again. Not the fault.
Going in and out of both ends.
Despite the bad weather too. It's pretty
Didn't think I could have done much better than that. Didn't mean to.
Well,
Just
that's
say
like-
something and see what happens.
6,000.
That's by the when I'm in this sort of state where I don't know what I'm going to say next, it's quite worrying. Thank goodness we're not live. I might break a rule
We're
or
live.
two.
We're doing it live.
I don't know. You were talking about floppies with David one time.
Yeah, we did.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Yeah, John,
floppy.
I remember you start. No, hang on. It was Craig. You
Nathan.
started
I remember you.
when he came back. Yes.
Give me a minute.
Oh, what's that?
It's a hard drive.
Well, I know that, but it's like a hard drive.
Samsung
8,000
terabyte.
mass. Big.
I'm not
big.
sure. I'm
Samsung
not sure if
terabyte.
I could turn the floppy disk into a hard drive.
No more,
Greg.
please.
Greg, guess what? I have 8,000 mass now.
John, you're like this, and other people like that.
Oh, okay. You're
You're like that.
you're
like
making the implication that I have a 1.5-inch floppy. Many people have 3.5-inch floppies.
that. No, you gotta go hard.
Yes, the fools and
Well, let's get serious. It's 12 minutes. Fools haven't scored. Salads haven't scored.
State the obvious.
That's the best way to go serious. Is state the obvious, right?
Well,
I'm
that
here.
usually is the last
on.
resort for a commentator. When you're completely lost and you don't know what to say next, just state the obvious.
That ball is going deep.
So
Indeed.